So if you don't already know, Lauren's brother Mocha is the first lieutenant. And he's an Army Ranger stationed at Fort Drum in New York. And in 2 weeks, he will be leaving on his first deployment to Afghanistan. Mocha, from your family and all of our friends here tonight, we want to wish you well and pray for your safe return. They say that the world is a dangerous place full of bad people. I say they haven't met our son yet. Hua. Our family has a tradition that no matter where you are, and no matter what the circumstances, you can always pick out a star and know your family is seeing the same star and thinking about you. Even when you are lonely and scared, we know that you will lead with honor, passion, and courage. So please take these medallions, which I have, from St. Michael on your journey. And when you get back safely, we will hug you and we will thank you for your service. Thank you.